County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Upper Arlington, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour.
In central Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Tickerington, Worthington, Bexley, Keith, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, and Hebron. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 94 and 131. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 125. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall this evening. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Monday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 5%. Showers and thunderstorms. Frequency of 160 in the mid-60s.
That's 1 second SBR, and it's from my county as well. Okay, we have some double trouble here. We got WW57, Jesus Christ, a voice crack. And what we got today, Alan? And CLE. It's right turn to go off.
At 7:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.0 and 3.0 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying. Flooding include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Centerburg, Danville, Martinsburg, Dan, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Should probably find a sign.
For the following county, not Ohio, a strong thunderstorm.
Guess not.
Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Gambier.
Okay.